In this video, we'll be looking at how to embed a YouTube code on your Squarespace site. So here we've embedded a playlist, but these steps will work for basically any type of YouTube embed that you're trying to do. So here's our site without any changes, and I'll show you how to embed the YouTube code. So the first step, we're going to go into the back end of the site, hover over where it says page content, and go to edit. Next, you're going to click the plus button that shows in the top right corner, and you're going to search for code, and we're going to click this code button. All right, so by default, it shows this hello world code. We're going to delete that. And then I'm going to just copy in your YouTube code that you're looking to embed and just hit apply. And we're just going to hit save. And there we have our YouTube code embedded in our website.